Hey guys, it's JackSquare, and in this video, we're going to talk about essential oils for men. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just something that my wife's into? No, it's for guys too. And don't worry, this isn't another sales pitch. I know there are tons of them out there on social media. I'm just sharing this info with you guys out of the goodness of my heart. So let's get into it. Here are my top 4 essential oils for men. 1. Small engine oil. If you're working the lawnmower, working with your tractor, trying to keep the yard looking nice, you're going to want some of this stuff. 2. Torch fuel. Read the fine print. Cedar oil, citronella oil, mineral oil. It's going to keep the mosquitoes away. 3. Beard oil. Enough said. 4. Okay, so you got the yard looking nice, the tiki torches are lit, your beard's looking pretty good, you're ready for that summer cookout. You know what else you need? Vegetable oil, so you can make some French fries. Now you might be thinking, well, I can just bake them in the oven. No, they're not called French bakes. They're called French fries, so get some vegetable oil. Alright guys, there you have it. Some essential oils for men. If you're glued to the couch, not doing that yard work, you're worried about the bugs this summer, your beard isn't looking that great, and you're just sitting there eating veggie straws or something like that, let me tell you, these oils are going to change your life. They changed mine. They changed mine. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Do you know someone that might dig it? Be sure to share it with them. That way they can check it out too. Can you think of any other essential oils that should go on this list? Let me know about them in the comments. I'll definitely check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss more videos like this one. And again, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Alrighty guys, I'll catch you next time.